Hi, I'm Chris Strom, and in this video we're going to show you how to do the mounting and installation of the Aqua-Lab system.
Mark the location of the bracket holes and drill appropriate holes in the wall for the fastener being used. Insert the mounting hardware and secure the bracket to the wall. Tighten the hardware with a wrench or an impact driver and socket. Lift the pump onto the bracket. Please be aware the pump is 130 pounds. Secure the front bracket with the 2 bolts provided. Note the wall mount bracket has been tapped and threaded, so nuts are not needed. Align the pump mounting holes with the pre-drilled holes in the mounting bracket. Insert the 4 bolts through the holes and use the locking nuts to tighten. Remove the upper filter housing prior to threading onto the pump. Thread in the brass fitting end of the filter assembly to bottom or inlet of the pump and tighten with a wrench. Inlet filter assembly is designed to flow in one direction. Place the hose clamp provided over the 1-inch inlet hose and install onto the hose barb as shown. Tighten the clamp until secure on the hose barb. Mark the location of the mounting holes for the Aqua-Lab panel. This can be done with a tape measure and level, or by placing the Aqua-Lab panel on the wall and marking the holes. Next, drill pilot holes for the fasteners being used. Now you are ready to mount the Aqua-Lab panel to the wall. Use washers on the fasteners to ensure that the panels stay secure on the wall. Install the door that covers the valve node. It's helpful to remove this while securing the panel onto the wall. Insert the versatile bracket into the bottom of the Aqua-Lab panel, mark the mounting holes, drill a pilot hole, and secure to the wall. Mount any remaining Aqua-Lab panels in the same manner as the first. Now we will mount the pump disconnect to the wall, typically above the pump and within 6 feet. Mark the holes for mounting, drill a pilot hole, and secure to the wall with fasteners. Next, mount the gateway to the wall. Mark the holes for mounting, drill a pilot hole, and secure to the wall with fasteners. Thread the water panel supply hoses into the outlet manifold on the pump as shown. Tighten with a wrench. Connect the quick connect fitting and ball valve to the inlet fitting on the Aqua-Lab panel, then turn the ball valve to open. Repeat this step for each panel being fed water from the same pump. Remember to open the ball valves on each hose. That completes the mounting and installation of your system. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorial videos.